In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to remove text from any image in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open your image in Photoshop. Zoom into the area with the text so you can work more accurately. Select the lasso or marquee tool and make a loose selection around the text. Right-click and select Content-Aware Fill. If it is grayed out, then click on the layer. Photoshop will generate a preview. If it looks good, click OK. If not, adjust the sampling area on the right panel until the preview matches the background. Once the fill is applied, press Ctrl-D to deselect. If you notice any rough edges or artifacts, select the Spot Healing Brush tool and brush over those areas for a cleaner finish. Finally, zoom out and check the entire image to make sure everything blends naturally. And that's it. Your text is gone. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.